Hi guys, you are watching my YouTube channel Armani Connection, and I will show you this card I buy for my DJI Action 3 and also for GoPro. As you can see this one. I hope this one will work with the GoPro and also with the DJI Action 3. This is for the smartphone, for the cameras, action cam and drones. So another one was available, that one was only plus. This one is Pro Plus, so it has more speed than that one. As you can see this one, and it's come with the card reader from Samsung, so that one will be good and very useful. So I just ordered this one and I will try to use it, and then I will let you know if it's working or not. Hold on. So right now I will open the card, micro SD card, and I will put it in my camera and I will see if it's compatible or not. So this is the best card available in the market now, Samsung Pro Plus. As you can see, and it's come with the card reader from Samsung, so it is very useful. This is the back side. I will try to open this one here. Okay, so the next bootcamp on this list is the Columbia Engineering Cybersecurity Bootcamp. I will show you this one. On this list that are part of an actual school, and it is the card reader now. So Columbia Cybersecurity Bootcamp is a 24-week bootcamp, and classes start quarterly. And this is the micro SD card. It's an online bootcamp, so definitely keep that in mind if you're someone who is living in a different time zone. But what I really like about this bootcamp is that it specifically lists the tools that you will actually be learning during the bootcamp, which are Wireshark, Metasploit, Nessus, as well as Kali Linux. I will try to open this. Honestly, is very hacker focused, so that's something to keep in mind if you're someone who's interested in going into pen testing or just something more on the ethical hacking side of cybersecurity. So this is the camera. I'll open it. This is the card. Let's turn it on. Let's see if this card is compatible or not. Here it's showing 238.6 gigabyte, but it's actually this one is 256 gigabyte in actual. So I will check how many photo it can make. This is for video and this is for photo. With this resolution it is still like this, so it's good for now. And this is video, and you can change resolution here. In this is pro mode, and I still need to learn about this camera, how to, I think here, yeah, this is 1080p 100 frame per second. This is normally 2.7K. this is with Rocksteady, and you can go up to 4K, and this 4K 120 per second. Let's test this one now. Okay, so I will try to record video with this. It didn't show how many minutes remaining for this video, but it will be good. And it didn't show how many minutes video you can make in this one. I'm not sure. So in this resolution it's showing 4K 69, and this 4.43 it's showing only 60 frame per second, but here it will show 120 frame per second. But normal people will use this 4K 25 frame per second. This is the best one. Yeah, this is working right now, so I will try to take a picture with this one. And so I will open it here.